Foods that cause leg cramps at night? If you're like most people, you've probably experienced leg cramps at some point in your life. Leg cramps are a common symptom of many different conditions, but they're often caused by a lack of water or electrolytes in the body. To avoid getting leg cramps, drink plenty of water and eat foods containing these essential nutrients. Here we have mentioned some foods that cause leg cramps. If you're experiencing leg cramps regularly, it may be helpful to try eliminating one of these foods from your diet for a few weeks to see if that resolves the issue. 1. Dairy products. If you have milk protein intolerance, you may experience leg cramps when you drink milk or eat dairy products. It's not just milk that can cause leg cramps. Cheese and yogurt are also high in lactose, a sugar molecule that can cause leg cramps. If you suffer from leg cramps often, you'll want to avoid dairy products as much as possible. Simply reducing your intake of these foods will often help reduce or eliminate your leg cramps. 2. Caffeine. Caffeine can increase susceptibility to muscle cramps, so it's essential to be aware of its effects on your body. When the body consumes caffeine, it increases blood flow to the muscles and provides a temporary surge of energy. It also blocks an adenosine enzyme responsible for inhibiting muscle contractions. 3. Less fluid intake. One of the most common causes of leg cramps is dehydration. When dehydrated, your body doesn't have enough fluids to function correctly. This can lead to muscle stiffness and pain, and leg cramps are one of the symptoms that typically occur. 4. Drinking alcohol. Drinking alcohol can lead to dehydration, one of the main causes of leg cramps. However, it's also important to remember that drinking alcohol can cause lactic acid buildup, which can trigger muscle cramps. 5. Carbonated beverages. There is some truth to the claim that drinking too many carbonated beverages can lead to leg cramps. Experts say this happens because potassium levels drop when people drink too many carbonated beverages. This drop in potassium levels causes muscles to contract involuntarily, leading to leg cramps. 6. Processed meat. Processed meats, especially beef, are the main culprits in causing leg cramps. They contain high tyramine, a compound that can cause muscle cramps. 7. Tobacco smoke. There is some evidence that tobacco smoke may be responsible for causing leg cramps. The nutritionist found that people who smoke are more likely to experience leg cramps than non-smokers. Smoking tobacco creates an inflammatory response in your body, which triggers leg cramps. The cramps are caused by a muscle spasm that limits the blood flow to your legs. 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate can indeed cause leg cramps due to its high amount of intake of chocolate as it contains caffeine in the cocoa solids. Ingestion of too much chocolate can lead to caffeine intoxication, a condition characterized by anxiety and restlessness. This causes muscle spasms that are commonly known as leg cramps. 9. Salt. Salt can cause leg cramps due to its high concentration of sodium. When you eat or drink salty items, your body retains more water and sodium ions. This causes tightness and pain in the muscles, particularly your legs. 10. Refined sugar. Refined sugar can cause leg cramps due to its high glycemic index. This means that it increases blood sugar levels quickly, which in turn causes muscle glucose deprivation and fatigue.